Hi, sixth grade. How are you? I hope everyone is doing really well. And I also hope that you have been able to get outside and enjoy the really warm weather these last few days. All right, well, tomorrow is your spelling test and your vocabulary quiz, and I will be uploading another lesson tomorrow morning so that you will get the instructions on how to take the spelling test and the vocabulary quiz. Okay, so today's lesson plan only has today's work. All right, first of all, I want to go over your vocabulary words and definitions with you. Oh, my dog just growled. You probably heard that. I want to make sure that you have the correct definitions so that you know what to study for the quiz. So go ahead and get those out. I'm going to give you just a couple of minutes to try to find your vocabulary words and definitions. All right, here we go. First one is lunar. So lunar is associated with the moon, of or relating to the moon. All right, next one we have likelihood. That is the possibility that something will happen, likelihood. All right, next we have impending, which means about to take place. Impending is about to take place. Then we have presumably. Presumably means being safe to assume or expect. Being safe to assume or expect. All right, next we have option, which means a choice. So option is a choice. Then we have unpredictability. Unpredictability, which means the state of being unable to be guessed or known, uncertainty. So again, unpredictability means the state of being unable to be guessed or known, uncertainty. All right, next we have random. Random means following no particular order or purpose. So random means following no particular order or purpose. Next we have perilous. Perilous means dangerous and risky. Perilous means dangerous and risky. All right, then we have ascent. The definition of ascent is the act of moving or going upward. The act of moving or going upward. All right, and then finally, our last word, we have hovering. Hovering means floating in one place in the air. Hovering means floating in one place in the air. All right, if you missed any of those, be sure to go back and watch the video again to make sure that you were able to see everything. All right, and now, after you practice your vocabulary, what I want you to do is spend some time physically acting out your spelling words, just like we used to do in English class. And so remember when I would give you the option, you could do jumping jacks, you could do wall sits, you could do push-ups. I want you to do some sort of physical activity with your spelling words. Make sure that you do the challenge words as well, because those will be on the spelling test. So you should be physically acting out 25 of your words. And do you know what would make it even more fun? Is if you asked mom or dad or a sibling to join you. All right, so my daughter Abby is going to demonstrate for you acting out the first spelling word. And let me get to that page. All right, so our first word is revise. And let's see. R-E-V-I-S-E. Revise. Wonderful, Abby. All right. See how easy it is? Hopefully it's coming back to you, all of our physical activities that we used to do in class with spelling words. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and make sure to study hard for your spelling and vocab.